Okay. Michaela, I am recording our discussion, but don't worry. It will be on us. Okay.
Yes.
So again, our topic for today is about dividing decimals. So let me first share my screen for you to be able to know the worksheet that we need to answer. Okay. So this one, Michaela, there are several parts that we need to discuss in dividing our decimal. First, this one, Michaela, the blank. Can you see my screen now?
Yes.
Okay, so this one, the blank symbolizes, or the blank is what we called as the dividend. Dividend. Okay. And then the other one, this two, is what we call as divisor. Okay. So this one, Michaela, 2.6 is what we call as the quotient. Okay. So what's the difference between dividend and divisor? So Michaela, when we say dividend, this one, the blank, dividend is the number that is being divided. Okay? And the divisor is the number that you need to divide by. So this one, the answer when the dividend is divided by the divisor is what we call as the quotient. Okay po? So let me first show you how to divide decimal with a missing number. So, Michaela, there are two processes that we need to follow. First, if the missing number is the dividend, we need to multiply the divisor and the quotient. Okay?
Yes.
And when the divisor is missing, divisor, when the missing number is the divisor or this part, we need to divide the quotient and the dividend. Okay, again, Michaela, let me ask you, when the dividend is missing, what is the process that we need to follow?
This, if the dividend is missing,
Mm-hmm.
multiply the quotient with the divisor.
Okay, very good. You need to multiply the quotient by the divisor. And if the divisor is missing, what is the process that we need to take?
Multiply the dividend and quotient
Again, if the divisor is
of,
missing,
of divide the quotient and the dividend.
okay, very good. We need to divide the quotient by the dividend. So let me first erase this one and show you how to do that. So we have this one, Michaela. Can you see what am I writing?
Yes.
Okay. So let's have this one. I'm sorry for the mess. So we have here blank divided by 2 is equal to 2.6. So Michaela, what is the number that is missing? Is it the dividend or the divisor?
Dividend.
Okay, very good. So if the dividend is missing, we need to multiply the divisor and the quotient. So we have here um our Our quotient is 2.6 and our divisor is equal to 2. So all we need to do is to multiply 2.6 times 2. So, Michaela, can you please multiply this one? What is 2 times 6?
12.
Okay, very good, 12. O sige, you right. And then, if we multiply, okay, very good. Okay, so our missing number is 5.2. So when we divide 5.2 by 2, the answer is 2.6. Okay, let's try again. Number 2. We have here blank 9 is equal to 0.7. So again, we have here blank 9 is equal to 0.7. Can you please multiply that one, Michaela? Again, our quotient is, what's our quotient, anak?
0.7.
Okay, very good. And our divisor is
9.
9. So the missing is dividend. So the process is for us to multiply the quotient and the divisor. Can you please do that?
Hmm.
9 times 7 is? We can do the skip counting. 9,
9, 18,
18.
27,
Okay,
36,
very good.
40,
45, 50,
40. Wait, what is the last one again?
45. 9 times 6 is?
54,
Okay, how about 9 times 7? 54.
63.
Okay, very good. 63. Okay, you now put 63, 3, carry 6. And then, what's the next process, anak? You multiply.
9 times 0.
Okay, and that is equal to
0.
plus
6.
6. So the answer is 6. Okay, very good. Can you please put it in the blank? Okay, great. So again, we have another given, which is for number 3, we have here blank divided by 7 is equal to 0.5. And now, Michaela, again, what is the missing term? Is it the divisor, the dividend, or the quotient? What term is missing, anak?
The dividend.
Okay, very good. And if the dividend is missing, what is the process that we need to follow?
Multiplication.
Okay, very good. We need to multiply the quotient, which is equal to 0.5 by the divisor, which is equal to 7. Can you please multiply them? Okay, so your answer is? What's your answer, anak? 3
3,
point?
5.
Okay, very good. 3.5. How about if we have number 4? So in number 4, Micaela, we have this given. That is 4.4 divided by blank is equal to 2.2. Now, Micaela, my question is, what is the missing term? Isn't the dividend, the divisor, or the quotient?
Divisor.
Okay, very good. So we have here the value of the dividend is equal to what?
Hmm.
What's the value of the dividend, anak?
4.4.
Okay, 4.4. How about the quotient?
2.2.
Okay, that is equal to 2.2. Oh, now, what is the
Should I
process?
should I
Sorry.
do long division or short division?
Can you please show me using long division? So quotient is always located where? Inside or outside our long division symbol?
5.
That is outside.
Uh,
Okay. And the dividend is located.
inside.
Okay, very good. Inside. Can you now please divide them? Micaela, if if there is what we call as decimal point outside our long division symbol, we need to move it, okay? Until it becomes a whole number. So we need to move this one until it becomes a whole number. Is 22 a whole number, anak?
No.
Why no? When we say whole number, those are numbers that do not have decimal and fraction. So again, let me ask you, is 22 a whole number or not?
Yes.
Yes, it is a whole number. Now, since we move one decimal point outside, we also need to move this one. Okay? If we move here 2 times, we need to move 2 decimal places 2 times inside, okay? If we move 3 decimal places outside, we need to move 3 decimal places inside. So now, Micaela, we have here 22 and then 44. How many 22 are there in 44?
1.
One, that is only
And 2.
22. Okay, very good too. Can you put 2 at the last digit of our last digit of our whole number? Okay, Micaela, with this one, since we have here 2 digits, we also need to put our answer on the second digit. Okay? 1, 2, 1, 2, and our answer should be placed here. Okay po?
Yes.
Okay. Now, can you please multiply 2 and 22? Okay, very good. So what's our answer? What's the
2.
missing term? Okay, can you please write 2? Okay, how about if we have here number 5? We have here anak, 6.6 divided by blank is equal to 6. I'm sorry, that is 6.6 divided by, again, 6 is equal to blank. Now, Michaela, what is the missing term? Is it the dividend?
Quotient.
Okay, the quotient. And if the quotient is missing, that we just need to divide them. That is also the process when the divisor is missing. So can you please divide them? So your answer is very good.
1.1.
That is 1.1. How about this one, anak? Number 6. So for number 6, we have here 5.4 divided by 2. 5.4 divided by 2 is equal to blank. Again, Michaela, what is the missing number? I mean missing term.
Quotient.
Okay, very good, quotient. And if the quotient is missing, what is the process that we need to take?
Division.
Okay, very good. We just need to divide the dividend and the divisor. Okay, bring down 4. How many twos are there in 14? How many twos are there in 14, anak? You can do the skip counting.
8.
Again, 2,
Ano?
4,
2, 4, 6,
6,
8,
10,
10, 12,
12,
14.
14. Oh, what's the number? 14 divided by 2 is equal to?
8.
Again, Michaela, can you please show me your hand? Again, 2,
2,
2, 4,
6,
6,
8,
8, 10,
10, 12.
12.
Oh, 7.
Okay, very good. That is 7. Then multiply them. So your final answer is? Okay, very good. How to read that one, anak?
2.7.
Okay, it can also be read as 2 and 7/10. Okay, because 7, the place value of 7 is in the tens place. Okay, how about this one, anak? Let's move on to number 7. We have here 9.2 divided by blank is equal to 2.3. Micaela, what is the missing term?
The divisor.
Okay, very good. And if the divisor is missing, what is the process that we need to take?
Division.
Okay, divide. Can you please divide them? Okay. Now, Micaela, what can you see outside our long division symbol? It has, very good. How about inside our long division symbol? Start at our point and then move going to the right. Okay, very good. Now we have here anak 23 and 92. Now, how many 23 are there in 92?
Mhm.
We can do this anak like this. 23 plus 23 that is equal to
46.
okay plus 23 that is equal to
69.
okay very good. And if we add another 23 to 69 that is equal to 9 plus 3
12.
12 carry 1 1 plus 6
9.
1 plus 6 plus 2 is equal to 9. So therefore, how many 23s did we add all together?
4.
Okay, very good. So the answer here is 4. Can you please write 4? Then multiply them. 4 times 3. Okay, very good. So our answer is
4.
4. Can you please write 4? Okay, oops. Okay, how about number 8? We have here blank is equal to 3. Let me first write it. Blank divided by 3 is equal to 0.4. Now, Micaela, again, what is the missing term? Is it the dividend, the divisor, or the quotient?
Dividend.
Very good. And if the dividend is missing, what is the process that we need to take or we need to follow?
Multiplication.
Okay, very good. Can you please multiply the quotient and the divisor? Where is the equal sign, anak? Okay, then multiply. Very good. So can you please write your final answer? 1 point. Okay, that is 1.2. How about number 9, anak? Number 9 is blank divided by 2 is equal to 0.9. Again, Micaela, what is the missing term?
3. Dividend.
Okay,
Dividend.
very good. The dividend. And if the dividend is missing, what is the process that we need to follow?
Multiplication.
Okay, very good. Can you please multiply the quotient and the divisor? And your final answer is?
1.8.
Okay, great. That is 1.8. How about this one, anak? Okay. We have here number 10. We have here blank divided by 4 is equal to 1.2. 1.2. Again, Micaela, what is the missing term?
Hmm. Dividend.
Okay, and if the dividend is missing, what's the process to take?
Multiplication.
Okay, very good. Can you please multiply the quotient and the divisor? So your answer is?
4.8.
Okay, great job. How about this one, anak? 2.1, number 11, 2.1 divided by blank is equal to 0.3. Again, Micaela dear, what is the missing term? Which is missing? Is it the dividend, the divisor, or the quotient?
Di- Divisor.
Okay, very good. And if the divisor is missing, we need to.
Divide.
Okay, very good. Divide the quotient and the dividend. Can you please do that using long division again? Is that the proper placement, anak? Quotient is always inside or out?
Outside.
Okay, very good. Outside our long division symbol. And, okay, very good. Now, what's next? How many threes are there in 21? We can,
Five.
again, we can do the skip counting ulit, anak. 3,
3, 6, 9,
what's up?
12,
12,
15,
okay.
18, 21,
18,
9, 21,
18. What's next after 18? 18 plus 3.
21,
Okay, so what is 21 divided by 3?
7,
Okay, very good. Then, okay. 7 times 3 is equal to 21. Okay, and then subtract them. That is 0. So your final answer is 7. Okay, very good. So, Micaela, let's continue our discussion later. And your topic is about what?
Um, area in triangle, trapezoid, parallelogram.
Okay, the area of a triangle, trapezoid, and parallelogram. Only
Yes,
three? Okay. So, we'll continue our discussion later. And I'll end this Zoom. Goodbye for now, Micaela. Please go back at exactly 5:33, okay?
yes,
Okay, bye.
that's right.